If you're willing to put forth the effort, you will come out of the class with a comprehensive understanding of cloud computing and the various architectures, along with a whole bunch of best practices that you can begin to apply immediately. My name is Ken Lowrie, and I'm a student in the postgraduate program in cloud computing offered by UT Austin and Great Learning. The program helped me dive in head first to learning more about cloud computing and the services available to help you architect solutions for your business. Although the program focuses primarily on Amazon Web Services, or AWS, there is significant coverage on Microsoft Azure as well, and many of the concepts covered will apply to any major cloud provider. So even if you are interested in a different provider, you'll get a lot out of the class. I found our program manager to be extremely helpful with all of my questions, whether they were administrative or technical, and although I didn't have a ton of technical issues along the way, the couple of times I did, I was able to get them resolved in a timely manner. The mentors that are assigned to teach weekly sessions are industry professionals who are active in cloud computing, and they will provide real-world case studies and specific instruction and how-to in the various areas that you're going to be learning about. Of course, as with anything like this, you're only going to get out of it what you're willing to put in. This isn't something that you can breeze through. Watch a couple of videos, read a white paper or two, and ace the quizzes and class projects. But if you're willing to put forth the effort, you will come out of the class with a comprehensive understanding of cloud computing and the various architectures, along with a whole bunch of best practices that you can begin to apply immediately. And of course, you'll have a ton of new contacts to add to your network.